Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick talk about the difference in the commercial grade, professional grade fertilizers that we use and the retail type stuff that you get in the big box stores. The only example I have here is the Scott's Turf Builder, which is by far the most popular brand of retail fertilizer that you can get that's available out there. And the first thing I want to point out is the actual makeup of these three products and the nutrients that they're providing is the same. The Scott's Turf Builder is a good fertilizer. I'm not going to say it's a bad product. It will add value to your lawn. It will provide benefit to your lawn and give it the nutrients it needs. The first difference and the reason why we gravitate towards the commercial grade products is customization, particularly in regards to the slow release aspect. Your Scott's Turf Builder is a 10% slow release, and that's all you can get across the board. You can't get it any other way. With the commercial grade products, you can get whatever you want. You can get 30, 40, 50, or even more. We tend to use a 30% slow release this time of year because we want the fertilizer to break down slowly over the course of 6 to 8 weeks to have a longer residual in feeding your lawn. And the Turf Builder, it's going to be a lot faster. It's going to happen a lot faster. It's going to break down faster and not have the residual that the commercial grade stuff has. So that's the first difference. The second thing is price. With the Scott's Turf Builder, you're going to be paying $3 per 1,000 square feet to put that stuff out. And with the commercial grade stuff, you're going to be about $1.75, depending on which product you go with, per 1,000 square feet, $1.75 per 1,000, it's a lot cheaper. So, in the end, if you've already purchased your Turf Builder, or it's real convenient for you to get that, by all means use it. It's a good product. It is going to add value to your lawn. But if you have a bigger yard or you haven't purchased your product yet, you might look into some of the commercial grade stuff. You're going to have to get this at a lawn and garden center or a landscape supply store. That's the only place that's going to have the commercial professional grade type stuff. So hope that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below or shoot us a message. We'll be glad to help you any way we can. Thanks.